Hello everyone. So in this video we will see that how we can check the generated platform events in a simple way. Okay. So first thing that you need to do is you need to install this extension in your VS Code Salesforce event subscriber. Okay. Once it is installed, what it will do, it will fetch the default org metadata and it will automatically connect to this org. It will not fetch any data, but it will connect to your default org. Okay. And what is this? I will explain you. Let me delete it first. Okay. So as you can see, I have created a platform event object. Okay. So this is our platform event, testing platform event. Okay. And it is having one custom field account name. Okay. So in this account name field, what we will do, we will create a contact and we will paste the contact last name into this account name. Okay. So for this, what I have done, I have created a flow on contact object. Okay. So as you can see here, we have created this record trigger flow on contact. Okay. Nothing more complex here. Very simple thing. Okay. And after that, we just create record for this platform event. So we are creating platform event. I have selected that object testing platform event. Okay. As you can see here, and we are setting the this contact record last name into this account name field. Okay. So already activated. Let me create a contact. Okay, before that, what you need to do here in this channel list, you need to add that event. Okay. So we need to write slash event your API name of your platform event. So at event, just press enter and it is added here. Okay. So now when we will create a contact, a platform event will be created and it will show here in the output window. Let's see. Let me just create a new one. Testing platform event 100. Save. As soon as your contact has been created, when you will go here. Okay. There is some. Okay. You can see that testing platform event 100. Okay, because I have created the record trigger flow for contact on creation. Okay, let me try it again. Let me clone it this time. 101. Okay, see, you can see it is showing here testing platform event 101. So this is how you can debug easily your platform event. Okay, there is one more way to debug this. So for that, what you need to do, you need to put a debug. You need to create debugs for the user who is creating or who is creating contact or making changes to your record which is publishing the platform event. Okay, so you need to set up debug logs for two things. One is for that user, so this is for my user, and one debug log for automated process. Okay, let me show you what you need to select here. See, the test entity type is automated process. Okay, and for the other one is the user which is doing the changes. So once you have set it up these debug logs and when you will create it, you will see the debug logs here. Okay, I hope you guys like this video. Thank you so much.